Alright, so in this video we are going to talk about the three best candlestick confirmations for entry. Okay, the three best candlestick confirmation that anytime you see, it signifies for entry. Okay, if you're a beginner, stick around. This video will probably help you, and if you're advanced, you can take something from it and add it to the strategy that you are using. It will help you for you to increase your win rate. And I just find out that a lot of people watching my video and subscribers. If you are watching my video and haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and this will help you to push the video to more people so that more people can also learn trading as well. Okay, so you can see I'm using the pair of GBP USD to show you this, and you can apply it to every pair. It works. Okay, these are the candlestick confirmations for you to see before you enter a trade. You can see GBP USD has been bullish for a very long time. Price creating a high, low, high, low, high, and low. Okay, so that is the trend of GBP USD now. So let me take my trend line. Let me join the key points for us to know where price is heading to now. And you can see there was a push reaction here before price push up, another retest, price push up, last retest, price push up, and there's a big retest and a drop. Okay, so that is what GBP USD is doing right now. Push up, push down, push up. This kind of stick that we are going to talk about, one is a morning star. Okay, morning star and evening star. We call them stars, but we have morning star and evening star together. They are called stars. Okay, and we have engulfing candle. Okay, we have the bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing together. We call them engulfing candles. And the last one that we're going to talk about is what we call the hammer. Okay, we have a bullish hammer and a bearish hammer. So together they are called hammer. Okay, so let's start with the hammer. Looking at the chart, you can see hammer was formed here before price was pushed to the upside. Let's go and let me show you. All right, so you can see, sorry, look at this place when price pushed from here to the downside. Okay, look at something. When price was retracing to the downside, look at the candle that was forming. The candles were very big fat candles, indicating there's a strong volume in the market, there's a strong volatility, there's a strong momentum in the market. Okay, until when price got to the trend line. Okay, and when price got to the trend line, look at the candle that was forming. This small candle here formed. So before then, let me show you. Hammer candle is a candle that is formed, the candle with a strong body at the top with a small wick. Okay, you can see when price got to the zone where the trend line is, hammer candle was formed. So this first hammer here that we saw showed us that price isn't going to break this trend line because of the hammer candle. Okay, when price pushed to the upside and the retracement was happening, look at the candle that was forming. These candles were just strong momentum candles, which indicate that price was dropping massively. And when price got into the zone, the momentum started decreasing. And look at the candle that was forming. It formed a first hammer, second hammer, a third hammer. Okay, a candle with a big body with a small wick. There's no wick at the top. The wick is only below with a big body or a big head. Okay, it looks perfectly like a shape of a hammer. Okay, so there is a first hammer form, second hammer form is a third hammer. So this is an indication for a buy trade or a reversal to the upside. Okay, so this is where we took a trade. This is how to trade a hammer candle. You take your long or your short position, put it at the place where the candle closed. Your stop loss should be a little below the wick of the candle so that you won't be taken out by a spread. Then you target the previous swing high. This side was the previous high price got to before they push the downside. So you have to target that previous swing high there, and then you can see take profit would have been hit. All right, so this is how to trade a hammer. Look at the momentum candle. The candlesticks talks a lot. You just have to watch the candlestick, read it very carefully. When price was dropping to the zone, there was a strong momentum candles. When price got to the zone, the momentum decreased, and you can see hammer candle was formed, and now we took the buy to the top. And anytime the hammer it forms on the support, we call it a bullish hammer. Okay, you can see this one, price is bullish, price is rising, and the hammer formed on this trend line. And also you can see this side has been reacting to price multiple times. You can see this side is also an area of interest because there's a reaction there. So we can extend that place with a zone. You can see, so there's a hammer forming on a zone and also on a trend line. Okay, so this is a strong indication for a buying opportunity for you as a trader. Okay, so that is it for the hammer. The next one we're going to talk about is the bullish or the bearish engulfing candle. So let me use this place to analyze to you. Okay, so you can see this side price was bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Okay, so we look out for an entry. You can see this side there's a reaction around here, reaction around here, reaction around here. So we draw our zone, key zone around that place. Okay, and you can see when price got into the zone, price pushed into the zone, there was a reaction, push the downside, price push up, break the zone, retested the zone, push the downside again, came up to the zone a little, push the downside, and now price retraced into the zone. Okay, so look at something here. When price was going into the zone, look at the momentum price was using at this place and now this side. You can see there was a decrease in momentum here. Here the candlestick were big fat candlesticks, but when it got here there was the candlestick were lower, there's small candlesticks. So this is where it spoke to us that this is an area where price cannot break because of the candlesticks. The candlestick momentum got decreased when it was about to get into the zone, and when price got into the zone, it created a long wick at the top of the zone. Look at the candle, look at the wick at the top. So this wick candle that went through the zone with this small candles indicated for us that price cannot break this zone. And look at the next candle, that is what we are interested in. This candle is what we call a strong engulfing. Okay, a strong engulfing candle. This black candle came, it broke this candle. You can see this candle is what we call a long engulfing candle. You can see this candle here pushed down, engulfing this whole candle here. It covers the body of this candle. That's what we call engulfing. All right, it occupies the body, like it takes the whole candle. Okay, look at this strong candle here. This candle take the whole body of this candle. So this is what we call a bearish engulfing, because it is forming on a ceiling of price. Okay, it's forming at a ceiling. Okay, where price is on a resistance. Okay, so this is a bearish engulfing candle. So this is how to trade it. You take your short position, put it at where price closed, and then your stop loss should be at the high of where price or the zone is, and you target 1:2, and you can see your take profit would have been hit right at that place. You can see take profit would have been hit at this side. Okay, so that is how you can trade the engulfing candle. Anytime price get into the zone, look at the momentum price is using to enter the zone. If it's a strong momentum, it is likely to break. If the momentum is decreasing, there will be a reversal or a reversal candle to the opposite side. And the same thing happened. Price got into the zone, strong bearish candle. The candle took the whole body of the next candle and it dropped to the downside. Okay, that is what we call an engulfing candle. So let's go to the last one, which is the stars, which is either the morning star or the evening star. Okay, all right, so let me take this side for you as example. Look at where price was dropping from here to the downside, push up, push down, push up, push down, push up. There is a lot of reactions around this place, so I just have to draw my area of my key zone there. This place is an area of interest because of how price has been reacting to that side. Okay, draw my zone right there. You can see when price got dropped, came back to that place, there was a drop. Price got into the zone again, there was a drop. Look at here, the momentum price was using here to enter the zone. Okay, here the momentum was lower, that is why price didn't break. Look at the momentum, a big candlesticks. This indicates that price will break the zone. There was a break. Anytime there's a break, we wait for retest, we take the trade, and price push back into the zone. And look, I want you to look something here. Okay, watch here carefully, subscribe to the channel for more videos. When price was coming into the zone, look at this big candles. This big candle here, bearish candle, another bearish candle, and there's this candle we call indecision candles. This small little candle here, we call it indecision. We don't know whether bearish or bullish are in control. So the next one to determine who is in control is the candle that will form, and the candle that form is this strong bullish candle. Okay, so after an indecision candle, the next candle that will decide who is in control is the candle that will form, and you can see is this strong bullish candle. And this 1 2 3 candles is what we call a morning star. Okay, because the price is rising and it is forming on a support. This is a support. It was a resistance, now it has break, forming a support. And if it's forming on a support, it becomes a morning star. If it's forming at a resistance, it is a shooting star. Okay, so this is an indication for trade entry, and this is how to trade it. Your entry should be at the top of where candle close, your stop loss below the zone, and you target the previous swing high. I told you already, this was the previous swing high price got to before the drop, so you trace it to that place, and then your TP should have been there. Then boom, TP hits right there. Okay, so that is the 3 best candlestick confirmation for you to see to enter a trade. My name is Hans Clinton. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping more content about this one. If you have a question, let me know in the comment section. I will just do well and answer for you. I have a free Telegram channel. I put up where I post out signals to people to, for people to learn. Okay, so that is it for you. We have the hammer, either a bullish hammer or a bearish hammer. We have a engulfing candle, which is the bullish engulfing or a bearish engulfing, and we also have the morning star and the evening star. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video.